Let me introduce myself. My name is Josefa Marlinda Roitus Tumorang. I am grade 8-1. I am a student at Kasuma Indah Private Middle School. This time, I will explain the biography, discoveries, and life journey of Alexander Graham Bell. Enjoy for watching, everyone. Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell was born on March 3, 1867 and died on August 2, 1922 at the age of 75. He was a Scottish-born scientist, inventor, and engineer. He founded the American Telephone and Telegraph Company in 1885 in addition to his work in telecommunication technology. He also made important contributions to aviation and hydrofoil technology. Alexander Graham Bell was not a kid until he was 11. Was born to Alexander Melville Bell and Eliza Grace Simons. His mother was almost deaf, and his father taught education to the deaf, influencing Alexander later career choice as teacher of the deaf. At age 11, he entered the Royal High School at Edinburgh, but he did not enjoy the compulsory curriculum and he left school at age 15 without graduation. In 1865, the family moved to London. Alexander passed the entrance examination for University College London in June 1868 and matriculated there in the autumn. However, he did not complete his studies because in 1870 the Bell family moved again, this time immigrating to Canada after the death of Bell's younger brother Edward in 1867 and older brother Melville in 1870, both of tuberculosis. The family settled in Brantford, Ontario, but in April 1871, Alexander moved to Boston, where he taught at the Boston School for Deaf Mutes. He also taught at the Kralka School for the Deaf in Northampton, Massachusetts, and at the American School for the Deaf in Hartford, Connecticut. Gardiner Hubbard organized a group that established the Bell Telephone Company in July 1877 to commercialize Bell Telephone. Alexander Graham Bell was the company's technical advisor until he lost interest in telephony in the early 1880s. Although his invention rendered him independently wealthy, he sold off most of his stock holdings in the companies early and did not profit as much as he might have had retained his shares. Thus, by the mid 1880s, his role in the telephone industry was marginal. Alexander Graham Bell did not invent the Finley record atau yang disebut sebagai piringan hitam in the modern sense, but he was instrumental in the development of the technology that led to the Finley record. He invented the Finley record, which used a wax cylinder to record sound, which was later refined by others to become 2 gramophone and the record. Upon a Finley record is the medium used in a gramophone to store and play audio recordings. The first records we made from materials such as wax or silex, later switching to the more durable and popular Finley. Throughout his life, Alexander Graham Bell sought to foster the advance of scientific technology. He supported the journal Science, which later became the official publication of the American Association for Advancement of Science. He succeeded his father-in-law, Gardiner Hubbard, as president of the National Geographic Society, or 1898 to 1903. Grosvenor became editor-in-chief of the National Geographic magazine, and Alexander Graham Bell encouraged Grosvenor to make the magazine a more popular publication through more photographs and fewer scholarly articles. Alexander Graham Bell died at his Nova Scotia estate, where he was buried. That's all the explanation about the discovery and biography, as well as the life journey of Alexander Graham Bell. I am Yosefas Tumorang. Would like to thank you for watching until the end. See you next time, everyone.